Prayagraj district of Uttar Pradesh. He belonged to an ordinary Rajput family. His father's name was Sameshwar Datta Singh and he worked in the army. His mother Shaima Devi was a cultured and simple nature woman. One smile can start friendship, one smile can start friendship, one look can save relationship, one look can save relationship, one person can change your life, one person can change your life. The parents cultivated good values in all 7 children and developed seeds of his patriotism and goodwill into them. Danchan has 6 siblings, 3 brothers and 3 sisters. Since his father was employed in army, he often transferred to go one place to another. 29 August is also celebrated as National Sport Day. The President of India give award to sportsmen and coaches. Give award to sportsmen and coaches around the country on this day. Success is not a shortcut. Success is not a shortcut. It is a long journey. It is a long journey. Captain India Tilakam successful Olympic goals. When the India hockey team was about to depart from India to play abroad, then Jacknal said out if we should go to Los Angeles to play hockey there or not. छोटे से कदमों पे भरोसा आसमान, छोटे से कदमों पे भरोसा आसमान. ध्यानचंद बनेगा भारत की शान, ध्यानचंद बनेगा भारत की शान. What it be to the worthwhile to the undertake such as a long voyage into the order to play with countries like Japan and America. In Asian stage he was unveiled to the echo of this footlet. He admitted that decision had not been inappropriate on this over time. After the one of the most famous hockey player of 19th century, it was founded in 2002 and he also gave it for the first time in the same year. The award is the given for excellent performance and achievement sport. The award is given to the performance of Olympic Games, the World Championship, Hockey, Commonwealth, the game and the World Cup, physically challenged and Indian sports. हारा जीत खेल का हिस्सा होता है लेकिन भावना सबसे बड़ी जीत है, लेकिन भावना सबसे बड़ी जीत है. ध्यानचंद अवार्ड symbolizes the nation's appreciation for sporting excellence. It celebrates the spirit of sportsmanship and fair play. It celebrates the spirit of sportsmanship and fair play. कोई भी मुश्किल थका नहीं सकती, कोई भी मुश्किल थका नहीं सकती, रास्ते की रुकावट गिरा नहीं सकती, रास्ते की रुकावट गिरा नहीं सकती. अगर जुनून है जीतने का तो हार भी हरा नहीं सकती, अगर जुनून है जीतने का तो हार भी हरा नहीं सकती. He was popular, known as the magician of hockey. He won 3 times gold medals in Olympics for Indian hockey team. For his extraordinary skill, he earned nickname the Wizard of Hockey because of his amazing skills. His birthday on 29 August is celebrated as National Sport Day in India. Success is not a permanent and failure is not a final. Success is not a permanent and failure is not a final. Never stop working after a success and never stop crying after a failure. Never stop working after a success and never stop crying after a failure. Major Dhyanchand Ji scored more than 1000 goals in his entire life. Dhyanchand is known for his incredible skill with the hockey stick. He was awarded by a Padma Bhushan for his amazing goal score ability. आंखों में नींद है परसोना नहीं, आंखों में नींद है परसोना नहीं. यही समय है मेरे दोस्त, यही समय है मेरे दोस्त, इसको खोना नहीं, इसको खोना नहीं. Right from his childhood he had fascination for sport. How he aged. He joined the army at the age 60. He continuously playing hockey in army. वक्त सिखाएगा तो सीखेंगे भी, वक्त सिखाएगा तो सीखेंगे भी. अगर हार जाए तो जीतेंगे भी, अगर हार जाए तो जीतेंगे भी. मेजर ध्यानचंद जी remembered one as greatest hockey player in the world. He retired as Major Regiment of Indian Army in 1956. In fact, he was an Indian gift to the world of hockey. Success is a result of perfection. Success is a result of perfection. Hard work learning for failure. Hard work learning for failure. Loyalty and percentages. Loyalty and percentages. Indian field hockey icon visit Redigate has the greatest player in history. Indian highest honor was renamed for Khel Ratna to the Major Dhyanchand Khel Ratna. हॉकी की धरती का वो चार निराला था, भारत माँ को सच्चा रखवाला था. हॉकी की धरती का वो चार निराला था, भारत माँ को सच्चा रखवाला था. डंडे से नहीं जादू से खेल दिखाते थे, डंडे से नहीं जादू से खेल दिखाते थे. हर गोल में जैसे तिरंगा लड़ाते थे, तिरंगा लड़ाते थे. Who won 3 Olympic gold medals and was modest millions taught his magical technique His talent, achievement and devotion towards the motherland continues to inspiration the generation to come. मेरे देश की जिम्मेदारी नहीं है मुझे आगे बढ़ाने की, मेरे देश की जिम्मेदारी नहीं है मुझे आगे बढ़ाने की, बल्कि यह मेरी जिम्मेदारी है मेरे देश को आगे बढ़ाने की, बल्कि यह मेरी जिम्मेदारी है मेरे देश को आगे बढ़ाने की. Major Dhyanchand was continued to hold his emergency commission in the Indian Army Post Independence with the service number IEC 3526, but was apparently not granted a regular commission. In 1951, he was honored at the India's National Stadium with the inaugural Dhyanchand tournament, which he attended to the administration of the spectators. Now we friends are going to present some information about Major Dhyanchand's success. सफर शुरू होता है मेजर ध्यानचंद एक ऐसा नाम. सफर शुरू होता है मेजर ध्यानचंद एक ऐसा नाम जिस पे नाच करता है पूरा हिंदुस्तान, पूरा हिंदुस्तान. जिस पे नाच करता है पूरा हिंदुस्तान, पूरा हिंदुस्तान. जिसको अपने हॉकी का जादूगर कहा गया है, जादूगर कहा गया है. जितना बड़ा सपना होगा उतनी बड़ी तकलीफें होंगी. जितना बड़ा सपना होगा उतनी बड़ी तकलीफें होंगी, और जितनी बड़ी तकलीफें होंगी उतनी बड़ी कामयाबी होंगी, कामयाबी होंगी. और जितनी बड़ी तकलीफें होंगी उतनी बड़ी कामयाबी होंगी, कामयाबी होंगी.
भारत का लेके था सितारा ध्यानचंद. खेले हॉकी में हमेशा गोल्ड लाया ध्यानचंद. रत्न है भारत का लेके था सितारा ध्यानचंद. खेले हॉकी में हमेशा गोल्ड लाया ध्यानचंद. गोल्ड लाया ध्यानचंद, गोल्ड लाया ध्यानचंद. छिपा